Say welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yes. Babo Kabalen, welcome to Guagua Pampanga.
So for today's vlog, kayo ba naghahanap ng coffee shop below 200 pesos? At the same time, mag-enjoy yung mga kids and adults.
Yes.
Dito lang yan sa may Guagua Pampanga.
Guys, sabi nga ni Mark, nandito tayo ngayon sa San Nicolas, Guagua Pampanga, and we were invited by Hebrews Cafe. It's a very unique cafe dito
Yes.
po sa may Guagua.
So if you want to know more about it, samahan nyo kami. So tara,
Let's
go!
Once again, guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video, and thank you so much Hebrews Cafe. Grabe, first time namin pumunta po dito. Nabigla kami.
Actually, this is the first na may ganitong klaseng setup
Yes.
sa Guagua.
Yes.
Which is meron siyang parang kids
Playground. Correct. So, sabi nga ni Mark, kids can enjoy the playground while the adults can enjoy the food and the beverages that they serve dito po sa Hebrews. So, meron tayong mga all-day breakfast at saka mga rice bowls. Meron tayong sisig, kaldereta, at saka yung kanilang roast beef.
Yes.
And then for their all-day breakfast, meron tayong tapa at saka lechon kawali.
At syempre, hindi naman mawawala dyan yung mga pasta natin. Meron tayong premium beef lasagna.
Wow!
Meron tayong cheesy baked mac and cheese, creamy penne chicken alfredo. Meron din siya Pinoy style sausage spaghetti. And syempre yung kanilang carbonara.
Carbonara. Now, for the drinks, actually, napakarami po nila. And again, magpapasalamat kami sa Hebrews for being such a generous host. And then, another popular or bestseller nila is Sokolating Baterol.
Yes.
Ito po yun. So, you can order this and enjoy it.
Meron pa silang mga pastries.
Yes.
So later on, titikman naman natin mga
We're gonna show you the pastries. But for now, we're gonna enjoy this. And samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's eat it.
Let's go! Talagang excited na matikman to.
Ako naman since unahan ko na sa mga refreshers nila, gusto ko nilang ube scramble. Parang dual purpose siya. It's a dessert and a drink na rin.
Wow! So, eto yun guys. Has two sections. This is mainly the dining area where dito kumakain guys. Almost half of the cafe, meron tayong children's playground. So, yun nga doon nag-enjoy yung mga bata. As low as 158 pesos during weekdays. Up to sawa na yun. Meaning unlimited. If you're gonna allow your kids to play here, pagka-open pa lang niya, up until the end, pwedeng-pwede po. Now, during holidays and weekends naman, only 178 pesos. Now, if you're looking for a private area, yung second floor nila, sa private area, till 20 person, pwede siguro. Now, dun sa lugar na yon, it has video okay. Meron po siyang package we're gonna be posting here. Ito po, ayan. Consumable po yun. So, good deal. At last guys, this is our second part, and this is actually our dessert. So this is sugar time.
Ano ba yung available dito for their cheesecake? Meron tayo yung kanilang blueberry and yung kanilang lingonberry. Siyempre, di mawawala dyan. Meron tayong chocolate cake,
This one?
carrot cake,
This one?
and yung kanilang mga cinnamon bun. So
Wow.
meron tayo dito yung kanilang pistachio and chocolate.
Yes.
Another pastry din naman nila. Siyempre, meron tayo kanilang chicken Jamaican sausage croissant
This one?
and yung kanilang jalapeno.
The good thing, yun, titingnan na natin sila dito. So, ayun nga guys, this is our last portion dito po sa visit namin sa Hebrews Cafe. And ito nga, yung sinasabi ko kanina, they have a private room. You can, dine in here.
Have a meeting,
Yes.
corporate meetings, or siguro even mga mini events.
Yes,
Yan,
exactly.
pwede dito.
So as low as 3,000 pesos for 1 hour, consumable na po yung 3,000 pesos ninyo. And at the same time, mga food nila dito, less than 200 pesos.
Yes.
Meaning abot kaya po ng mga tao dito po sa Guagua Pampanga.
So, if you want to go here dito sa may Hebrews Cafe, located lang siya dito sa may Enterprise Building 34, San Nicolas First, Guagua
Yes.
Pampanga. And they are open from 10 a.m. up to 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Alright, so there you have it guys, another place for you to check out. It's a great discovery dito po sa Guagua Pampanga. And if you like the food you saw in this video, everything you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye guys.
Love